in today's class, I'll be showing you how to use the Google Classroom app to actually access every training that we are going to offer you here, because all our training are going to be done in the Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you how to use it, because most people have been telling me they don't know how to access or they don't know how to manipulate the app. So first thing you do is to go to App Store if you are using an iPhone, or you go to Play Store if you are using an Android phone. So click on it. When you click, let's go to the search button and enter Google Classroom. Then you search for it. Wait for it to load. Now what you will see is that the Google Classroom app will come. If you're not having the app on your phone, it will ask you to download it. But because I'm having it, they asked me to open it. So you download the app and wait for it to finish downloading. Immediately the app is done downloading, you'll be asked to log in or sign into the app. Good. Now this is the interface you see. This is the interface you see when you open or when you sign in. Alright, this is the first interface you see when you open this particular app. Alright, so what you do over here, you see the button at the down right corner of your phone. That's that plus button. Just click on the button. Now when you click on the button, the next thing you see is join class or create a class. You join a class if you have been invited by a teacher for a project or for work, as what we are doing. I will invite you, so you just enter a code and then you join the class. Now you create a class if you have information to share with a group of people. So now let's say I'm joining a class. When you click on the join button, they will ask you to enter a code. Now where you enter this particular code, it will take you to the classroom directly. It's where you see a stream, classwork, people, and the previous assignments or project that have been posted into the classroom. Now the next thing you do over there is to scroll down to see the projects that are posted in the group before you join. So you scroll down to see the last project. Now how do you access all these projects work? Let's say it's a Facebook ad hack. You have a product or service you offer, just like any other business owner. You spend time and money to run ad on Facebook. Unfortunately, your ads aren't converting. So you realize that sentence or this particular post or project has a lot to offer. You can see 2 attachments. So you click on it. When you click on it, you wait for it to load, so you can access everything. You see the attachment. There are 2, one video and then 1 image that have been attached to this particular classroom. So what you do, how do you access it? You click on this. The moment you click on it, it will take you directly to your Google Drive. Now the next thing we look at is how to submit your assignment or classwork. You see the middle of your phone, the down button there, you can see classwork over there. When you click on it, it gives you an access to submit a classwork. Now the classwork will be posted when I give you a project to do or something to work on. You can submit your project over here. That's into the classroom. You come to the classroom and submit your project. So that's that one too. The people over there are the number of people that you are in the classroom. You see, this is a new class I create for this particular project. I just created the class and I wanted to do this video for you so that you can know how to go by it. So there's no students in this particular class at the moment, but then I can click on invite and share the code or the link to people so that they can access the class and know whatever is going to happen in this particular class. So this is how you can access your Google Classroom and everything about it. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can access this using your laptop, which is the easiest way, using the laptop. If you have a laptop or a computer at home, you can use it. Just use the Google Classroom and then. So we move quickly on how to use the Google Classroom on your laptop. So this is the interface when you search for it, for Google Classroom. So click on it and wait for it to load. When the classroom is done loading, this is what will come. So this is the interface you are going to see when your classroom is downloading. You can see I'm already in the class, so that's the class I'm already in. But then you can see at the top right corner of your laptop, the plus button is still there. So what you do is you go and click on the plus button, you see create or join. So you click on it and select join. Now when you click on join, you ask you to enter a code. The code, I will be sending it to you. The moment we are done with the introduction aspect of the training, you get the code sent to you. So you enter the code that will be sent to you. It's between 5 to 7 digits. I'm entering my code. So after I enter, I just click on join and wait for it to take me to the classroom. Okay, so this is the interface you are going to see. This is how it appears on your classroom. You can still see the stream, the classwork, and then the people in the class. Now you can scroll down to see if there are projects that have been posted before you, and then of course you can see there's just one project that has been posted before you. Now there's an image and then there's a video in that particular project that has been posted before you join the class. So you can just click on the video or the image. The moment you click on it, it will take you to your Google Drive. Now let's come back to the class. That's a video and that is an image right there. Those are the attachments that we have in the classroom. Okay, so now the next thing you do is your classwork. That's where you check if there's actually an assignment or if there's a work for you to submit. Of course, if you are running this project, I'll be giving you assignments as we are doing the course or we are studying the course. So you click on classwork to assess if there is an assignment that is due for you to submit. Okay, so you wait for it to load. When the classroom is downloading and there is an assignment, you will see it and then you just submit it. You see, lucky you, because I don't have any assignment to submit at this particular moment. So there's no assignment for me here to submit. So this is the interface you are going to see. If you have assignments, it will be right here for you to submit. This column you can submit, you can add comments, you can do whatever about work in this particular aspect or this particular stream. Now when you go back to your Google Drive, you can see the file that will be attached to it. So you click, you see the top right corner of your laptop, you see the download button there. If you click on it, you have the image downloaded to your laptop. As simple as that, very simple. You just take your mouse pointer to the download button at the top right corner of your laptop and then click on download button. You can even add it to your Google Drive. Now you see the people there and the people you are in the classroom. You know, you are not the only one in the class. There are other people also in the class. So when you click on it, you see that all the people that you are in the classroom with. But then this is just a new class that I created for this tutorial. Okay, I just created this class for this tutorial. So you see there's no one already in the class. So you see the teacher, you see your class teacher, the name of your teacher, and also the people that are in the class. You see your class, they write your classmates and they will all be under it. If they are 1,100, they will all be under your classmate below the teacher. So you can know that you are not the only person in the class. So this is the interface. This is how the interface look like. Very simple and very accessible. Very easy to manipulate on the laptop or a computer at your home or your office or anywhere you find yourself. It's easy to manipulate, easy to carry along. So this is it. Now this brought us to the end of how to manipulate the Google Classroom on your phone and even on your laptop or your computer at home. So this code that I will be sharing with you for this classroom, you need not to share it with anyone. You do not need to share the code with anyone, not even your family member. The code is for you. If you secure a very nice knowledge after this training in the classroom and you decide to share it, it's allowed. but don't share the code with anyone to join the class once the person have not made payment for the class. So please, that's what you need to take home, and keep it in mind that the code you are not sharing it is personal, it's for you and only you. You can share the knowledge after this class with your people, but don't let them join the class while they've not paid for the class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. This brought us to today's channel. Now, one good thing I recommend, I will request from you, is that subscribe to this channel, because all the video, I always say this, all the videos of these trainings, the tools and everything you need will be posted on this channel. So make sure you subscribe it. You can ask your friends to also subscribe, because there are some videos that are open to the public, and it's the best videos. They can watch it at their own time, get the knowledge from it, and also apply it to their business or whatever they are doing. So this is it, and thank you once again for joining this class. I'm very happy you sign up for this class, and I promise you are not going to regret joining this particular class. Once again, my name is Stephen K. Sedofia.